Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to add Roblox to GeForce Experience. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So the first step is to right-click the Roblox player anywhere on your computer and select Open File Location. This will redirect you to the default Roblox installation folder that is usually located at the Program Files, Roblox versions, and then the latest version of Roblox. Click on a title bar after selecting Open File, Path, and copy this. This is the folder in which Roblox is installed. Now open up GeForce Experience and first go to Drivers and click Check for Updates. Make sure you're running the latest version of GeForce Experience drivers. After that, go ahead and update any drivers as necessary. Go into the Settings menu by clicking this cog when at the top right corner of the screen and select Games and Apps. In here, click and Add button and paste the folder that we copied from the Roblox installation folder. Press Enter and then select Folder after passing the file path we copied for Roblox. As you can see, it's now added to the list. All we have to do now is go back to the home page, click the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select Scan for Games and Apps. After a quick scan, Roblox should be detected and installed in your computer. And it's going to pop up on this main window for GeForce Experience, where you can configure its settings and optimize it for your computer. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!